Yeah, you can totally shift gears on a dirt bike without using the clutch. And no, it's not sorcery. It comes down to timing and throttle control. Most people mess it up because they rush it or yank the throttle like it's a video game. First things first. This works best when you're already moving. Don't try to shift without the clutch from a standstill. That'll just make your chain hate you. Get the bike rolling, ideally past second gear when things are smoother and less abrupt. Once you're at a steady throttle, roll off the gas slightly. Just a quick roll-off, not closing it completely. At that exact moment, apply firm upward pressure on the shift lever. Not a stomp, just crisp and quick. That's your sweet spot. If done right, the transmission pops into the next gear like butter. If it hesitates or grinds, your timing was off. Maybe you stayed on the throttle a little too long, or you were too soft with the foot. Try again. Downshifting without the clutch is trickier. You've got to blip the throttle to match engine speed with the lower gear. That's where a lot of people wreck it. Engine braking kicks in too hard, and you get that jerky lurch. Super awkward. And yeah, this method puts more wear on your transmission. No clutch means fewer buffers. You've got to ask yourself, are you cool with replacing gears more often, or are you just trying to sound cool in front of your buddies at the track? That said, some riders do this all the time. Racers shift clutchless constantly because it's faster and smoother once you master it. I've got a friend who rides an old YZ250 and hasn't used his clutch for months. Swears he's one with the machine now. A lot of dirt bikes are built tough enough to handle it. Like if you're on a KTM or even a mid-tier Honda, they're kind of begging to be ridden hard. It's not like using clutchless shifting on your uncle's old cruiser with 75,000 miles on it. Pro tip, practice on a straight, flat dirt road first. No jumps, no tight turns, just you, the bike, and some room to get your coordination down. You want muscle memory before you try this while dodging trees or flying 10 feet in the air. And listen, if shifting without the clutch feels janky or sounds awful, stop. Trust your ears. Grinding or clunky noises mean something's not happy inside your gearbox. Don't force it into gear like you're mad at it. I live in Portland, where rain is basically a personality type, and I get why you'd want simple and fast riding techniques. Less fuss, fewer parts to worry about. But even here, I tell people, clutchless shifting is a finesse move, not a shortcut. Try it if you're feeling confident. Just don't treat it like a cheat code. It's more like a trust fall with your transmission. When it works, feels like magic. When it doesn't, you're getting towed out of the woods at 7 p.m.